to draw caribou. Start. So this is advanced, so let's do it. Firstly, draw a diagonal line right here. And then after that, make another one just about right here. Also draw gently or else it would be hard to erase after this video. After that, make another one right here. After that, make a big circle right here. If you're having trouble drawing this round shape, you could use anything that has a circular edge. After that, draw a big and large circle right here, or an oval, which represents the antler. Alrighty, after that, make a long curve right here, which connects the head to the body, and then make another one right here. Make a curve going here. Make this line right here. Make another one right here. So let's do the legs. So let's make a line here. And then make another one right here. After that, make this diagonal line right here. And then make another straight line right here. After that, make another diagonal line right here. And then while going down, use a diagonal line too. And then make a straight line going down here. And that's it for the initial sketch. Now let's make it more like a defined sketch. Firstly, draw a curve going right here, and then go up right here, which is the detail of the head. Then, in the chin, go right here, go down, and then finally, go up, and then go right here, and then do here. After that, make a curve right here. So draw a curve. And then draw another one right here. And then which connects there. Make some dots, meaning they're connected to the head. After that, make a curved line with black in the outline. After that, make a curve right here. Make a line here, and then make a curve right here. Make a straight line, another one, and then finally this one. And then make a smiley face right here. And then make this vertical line right here. And then make a curve right here. And then shade in the whole nose. And then go here. After that, before we make some detail, draw this tiny oval as a guide for the highlight, and then color in the hole, but don't overlap the highlight. Then after that, make some lines here. And then make 4 broken lines here. Make 2 broken lines and 1 dot on the top. Make a curve. And then make 2 broken lines and one broken line there. Finally, so while doing the curve, add some furry texture right here. And then go here. And then make a straight curve right here. And then make another one just about here. After that, make a curve going right here. And then continue like a curve here. But after that, make this curve here. And now let's make the legs. So firstly, let's do the first leg. Start by making a line, then a round thing, then make a curve. Again, so this line, a curve, and another curve below. For this one, go down right here, then make a curve right here, and then make another curve going right here, and then color in the hoof.